and then it went north a little bit, turned around and started moving south. And at this point we're about halfway down the country, moving along the easternmost side.
Here's one of the tremendous parade starts of the Giro d'Italia, and likewise the Tour de France. These riders, nearly 200 in number, begin by parading out of a town. Virtually the entire town turns out, as you can see them lining the streets, and off the riders go into the countryside to race to another town, where they'll stop for the night and take it up again the next day. And the pace early on here is quite fast. They have, well, this is the finish.
No, this it was a rather uneventful stage, and what they were showing was actually the